Cowboys, the National Football League, the Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders. I've never felt more of a red-blooded American than I do right here, right now. This is what it's all about, people. This is why we lift all that weight.
Dallas Cowboys. Dallas Cowboys. Dallas Cowboys. Dallas Cowboys. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the Big Brian Show.
Hey, Big Al. Yeah. Did you see that game last night? Did you see that? Cowboys open up a can of whip ass on them Deadskins. How about it, huh? How about it? Yeah, it was hilarious. What happened to the rivalry? Used to be a rivalry. That rivalry been dead. I don't think. God. Them boys bad. Right? They was setting. You making me laugh, Big Al. Man, they was setting all kind of records last night. Yeah, boy. Trayvon Diggs tied Everson Walls records for the most interceptions. Trayvon Diggs became the first player in 40 years to intercept 11 passes during the NFL season Sunday night. Yeah, boy! The guy broke Everson Walls' interception record. Man, Dak was on point. Yeah, that Washington no-name team. Now we know why they don't have no name. They don't deserve a name. It was more fun calling them the Deadskins. Right? Yo, did you see DeMarcus Lawrence get that touchdown, boy? Yeah. Yeah, we saw it. We saw all that. Zeke was running his ass off. The Redskins was getting beat so bad, they started fighting each other. You see that? They was over there fighting each other. That one guy was pissed, man. He was so mad he couldn't. Boy, that one Redskin was so mad he couldn't even. All he was just swolled up like, I'm gonna kill somebody. I'm gonna kill somebody. Yeah, I don't know who that guy was, but man, he was pissed. Last time I seen a team that mad was when the Cowboys beat the Buffalo Bills in the Super Bowl, and they was all pissed off. That coach was yelling at them. Oh well. Maybe next year will be better for that Washington no-name team. All right. Go Cowboys, right? The Cowboys-Washington rivalry. Look at it. All time. Cowboys won 75-47. Man, what happened to you Deadskins? You guys used to be better than that. I know back in the 90s, though, when Emmett was there, they beat you guys for like 10 years straight. Swept you guys. Wow. And the worst beating was last night. 56-14. Wow.